Howdy, everybody. This is Steve, Knight Mnemonic 9 Gnome, and we have a breaking news story for you. The AFRL has announced that in keeping with all of the modernization of everything in the world, we're going to modernize the phonetic alphabet as well. There's some words that have fallen out of common use that are in the previous phonetic alphabet. There is a more international flavor to the current phonetic alphabet, and we need to start using this starting on 4/1/2022. So without further ado, here is an introduction to what these new phonetics are. So A as in R, B as in BBQ, C as in Q, D as in W, E as in U. I raise lambs on my farm, and I love just lambing season. The ewes are happy and contented and nursing, and it's just a fantastic environment. F as in phonetic. Phonetic, I like how they updated the spelling of the word phonetic here because it didn't make any sense before. That's not spelling. That's just crazy talk the way it was before. All right, next page we have the following letters: G as in gnome, H as in hour, I as in Ian, J as in jalapeno, K as in knee, L as in lol. Okay, coming around the corner here, we have M as in mnemonic, N as in win. I think it's great that we've included N as in win here because that's one of the most popular names in Vietnam. O as in possum, P as in psoriasis. That should make it very easy for our friends out on 80 meters. Q as in Q, R as in ripe. We've got S as in sea, T as in tsunami, U as in It's actually probably the most popular word in the English language. For all you Starbucks fans out there, we have V as in venti, W as in right, and X as in Xanax. And lastly, we have Y as in you and Z as in zounds. Remember, folks, this goes into effect on 4/1/2022. I hope that this will make your amateur radio hobby and service more interesting and exciting going forward. This is your reporter, Steve, Knight Mnemonic 9 Gnome, signing off. Thanks for being awesome.